What's good, my people? Back again with another one. This one I had an idea because I bought, obviously everyone knows, or if you don't know, the ADIDAS XLG 2.0, but everyone's calling them the squids for short because of the jellyfish, of course. If you don't understand that, then I don't really know what to say, but yeah. So I thought, let me try, not because I want to, but because some people might want to, let me try make the squid look a bit more like the jellyfish. So one of the differences is the laces. So you see these black laces on this pair. All the upper etc. is more or less the same. So I grabbed myself a pair of laces. These were literally 99 pence from China. So don't ask me for a link or anything. I don't have one because the company is not paying me. It cost a bit more than 99p obviously, but I bought a bunch of things, got free delivery, etc. So yeah, I hope this lace works in this shoe, as in lengthwise. But yeah, let's start. So obviously first thing you have to do, which can be the most annoying thing, is to unlace the shoe. I can already tell this bottom bit is going to be annoying. And yeah, just undo that last bit. There we go. So that's done. Of course, you grab your new laces. Let's just move them out of frame. You thread it right through there. So right now, I'm not going to measure them up or line them up, etc. I can, if I want to, just pull it like that and have it lined up. It's very simple. However, it's just going to be easier to line it up once we have done the bottom bit, which is going to be a faff because I'm wearing the shoe. Lovely, look at that. And I've already started and I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to give up. Yep. Come on, man. It's just literally going into my foot. There we go. And then what we do is we just grab the ends and then just pull. Makes it literally even. And then once you've got it around and through, as it's like this, through the loops, this bit's going to be way easier because it's just literally threading it through loops. So you got one set of loops done, second set of loops done, then through the tab into the third set of loops. Just like that. It's kind of easy because it's just a rope lace. It's kind of easy to just do it through the loops. Very simple, straightforward. And then we've got two normal loops. No more of these, like what are they called? Just they remind me of the Air Max 95. And yeah, so then right at the top, I think this is a shoe that I'd lace right to the top. Let's see what it looks like not to the top. It doesn't look too bad, to be honest. But I think because the tongue's quite long, I'll just do it to the top for now. Then I can make my decision. Yes, there we go. So what do you think, my people? Do you like the black lace or do you like the black and white lace? I'll be honest, I like both. I can't make my decision right now, so it's one of them ones where I have to sleep on it and decide later. But yeah, just a quick one to make your squids look like the jellyfish. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a look at all the other videos, plenty of lace up tutorials, etc. The review and on foot of these, the how much hype video and all that good stuff. Take care, my people.